Good morning, dear students. In a previous lecture, we have solved the exercise 8.2, question number first and question number second. Today we are solve the question number third of exercise 8.2. Okay. What is the question number third of exercise 8.2? If tan a plus b equal to square root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 upon square root 3, a plus b is a greater than 0 degree and less than equal to 90 degree. A is the greater than b, then find the value of a and b. Okay, students, here in this question given that if a tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3 and the a plus b greater than 0 and less than equal to 90, a is the greater than b, then find the value of a and b. What is the value of a and b? Okay, students, solution. In this question given that tan a plus b equal to square root 3 and next tan a minus b equal to 1 upon square root 3. But we know that tan 60 equal to square root 3 and tan 30 equal to 1 upon square root 3. We know that tan 60 equal to square root 3 and tan 30 equal to 1 upon square root 3. Okay, students, since we know that tan 60 equal to square root 3 and tan 30 equal to 1 upon square root 3, then we write the tan a plus b equal to root 3, then tan a plus b equal to tan 60 degree. Why? Tan 60 is the square root 3. We put the value of square root 3, tan 60. Okay. Similarly, tan a minus b equal to tan 30. This gives the value a plus b equal to 60. This is the equation first, and this gives the value a minus b equal to 30. This is the equation second. We solve equation first and second, find the value of a and b. Here a plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. Okay, students, we solve the equation by elimination method. b, here b is the positive and here b is the negative, cancel. 2a equal to 60 plus 30 is the 90 and a equal to 90 degree upon 2, then a equal to 45 degree. A equal to 45 degree. Put in equation 1 from equation first 45 plus B equal to 60 degree, then this implies that B equal to 60 minus 45, this implies that B equal to 15 degree, B equal to 15 degree. Okay students, the value of A equal to 45 degree and the value of B equal to 15 degree. This is your answer. You understand this question? Check whether your answer is the right or wrong. Okay students? Tan A plus B equal to 30. What is the value of A? Value of A equal to 45. And what is the value of B? Value of B is the 15. Then tan A plus B equal to tan 45 plus 15. This equal to tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Square root 3, which is a right hand side. That means your answer is the right if satisfied this equation. Also tan, what is the value of A? A is the 15 degree, the value of A equal to 45 degree and value of B equal to 15 degree. This implies that tan 30 degree, what is the value of tan 30? 1 upon square root 3, which is a right hand side. That means the value of A and the value of B satisfied the equation first and equation second, then our answer is the correct. Okay students, now let us move example number 8. Example number 8 is the also similar question to the question number 3 of exercise 8.2. Example number 8. If sin A minus B equal to 1 by 2 and and cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2, A plus B lies between the 0 to 90 degree. That means AB greater than 0 and less than equal to 90. A is the greater than B. Then find the value of A and B. This question is the like as question number 3 of exercise 8.2. Okay students, solution. Given that sin A minus B equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2. Okay students, here sin A minus B equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2. We know that sin 30 is the 1 by 2 and cos 60 is the 1 by 2. That means we can write the value of 1 by 2 is the sin 30 and here the value of 1 by 2 cos 60. Why? Because the left hand side of this equation is the sin A plus B and the left hand side of this equation is the cos the left hand side of this equation is the sin a minus b. This is the form of the sine. Then we put here sin 30, and this is the cos a plus b. Then put here cos 60. Okay students, we know that sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. This implies that sin a minus b equal to sin 30. This gives a result a minus b equal to 30 degree. Again, cos a plus b equal to cos 60 degree. Why? Because here cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2, then put the value of 1 by 2 is the cos 60. Okay student, this implies that a plus b equal to 60. Okay, this is a first equation and this is a second equation. We find our required by solving the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay students, here a minus b equal to 30 degree and a plus b equal to 60 degree. We solve these equation by using elimination method. Here b is the negative and here b is the positive. This will be cancelled. 2a equal to 90 degree and a equal to 90 degree upon 2, a equal to 45 degree, a equal to 45 degree. From equation first, we put a equal to 45 degree in 1. We put a equal to 45 degree in a 1. 45 degree minus b equal to 30 degree. 30 degree. We transfer the value of b and value of and 30. Then 45 minus 30. This gives b equal to 15 degree. That means the value of b equal to 15 degree and value of a equal to 45 degree. This is your answer. Check whether these are right or wrong. The value of a and value of b are correct or incorrect. Okay. Here we put the value of a and b in a left hand side. That means sin a minus b equal to 1 by 2. Left hand side is the sin a minus b. Sin, what is the value of a? The value of a equal to 45 degree. 45 degree minus 15 degree. The value of b equal to 15 degree. This gives the value sin 30. What is the value of sin 30 students? 1 by 2, which is a right hand side. That means the value of a 45 degree and value of b 15 degree satisfied the equation number 1. Again we check similarly way in equation number 2. Here equation number 2, that means cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2. We take a left hand side, cos a plus b. We substitute the value of a and b. Cos, here a, the value of a equal to 45 degree and value of b equal to 15 degree. Okay students, this implies that this gives the result cos 60 degree and the value of cos 60 is the 1 by 2, which is a right hand side. That means the value of a and b satisfied both equation first and second. Then our answer is the right. Okay student, let us move next question. Question number 4 of exercise 8.2. Question number 4 is the very interested question to clear your concept of the trigonometric ratio. This question is the type of the true and false. True and false, but give a reason. State whether the following are true or false. State whether the following. Question number 4. State whether following are true or false. State whether the followings are true or false. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay, students, that means the statement is the true or false and give a proper reason why statement is the true, why statement is a false. First statement is the sin A plus B equal to sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay, students, here we write the trigonometric ratio of sin A for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. What is the value of sin 0? Value of sin 0 is the 0 and the value of sin 30 is the 1 by 2 and the value of sin 45 is the 1 by square root 2 and sin 60 is the value of sin 60 is the square root 3 by 2 and the value of sin 90 is the 1. Okay, students, if we take the value of A and B, any value of the A and B, like as the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then both sides are right, both sides are equal. If the both sides are equal, then our statement is the true. If both sides are not equal, then our statement is the false. Okay, students, let A equal to 30 and B equal to 60, because we find the very easily the value of A plus B is the 90 and sin 90 is the 1. Okay, students, here sin A plus B, put left hand side, sin A plus B, put the value of A and B, sin 30 plus sin 60. This implies that sin 90, what is the value of sin 90? 1. And right hand side sin A plus sin B. We put the same value for A and B. Sin, what is that? A is the 30 degree, sin 30 plus sin 60. What is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. And what is the value of sin 60? Square root 3 by 2. This gives a result 1 plus square root 3 by 2. Students, check whether both are equal. No, sir. That means left hand side does not equal to right hand side, then this statement is the false. This statement is the false. Okay, student, this statement is the false. That means sin A plus B does not equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay, students, you are satisfied? Next part of question 4. What is the next statement of question 4? Next statement is the value of sine theta. Second, the value of sine theta increases. The value of sine theta is increases as theta is increases. Is theta is the increases. Okay, students? The value of sine theta is increases as theta is increases. Here we observe that sine theta, for theta is the different 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sine 0 is student 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2 and sine 45 is the 1 upon square root 2 and sine 60 is the square root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is the 1. Here observe that the different, for different values of the theta, sine theta, that means theta is the increases. Here value of theta is that 0 degree, here 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That means theta is the increases. Then the value of sine theta is increases. Check 0, 1 by 2, 1 upon square root 2. That means 2 is the greater than square root 2, then this quantity is the also greater than 1 upon 2. And here square root 3 upon 2, square root 3 upon 2 is the also greater than 1 upon square root 3 by 2. That means sine theta is the also increases when theta is the increases. Okay, student, this statement is the true. Now we check the statement third, the value of cos theta. Third statement, the value of cos theta is increases as theta is increases. That means if the value of cos theta increases as a theta increases, if the value of theta increases, then cos theta is the also increases. Cos theta, the value of theta is the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, students, cos 0 is the 1, cos 30 is the square root 3 by 2 and cos 45 is the 1 upon square root 2 and cos 60 is the 1 by 2 and cos 90 is the 0. Here we observe that if theta is the increases, then cos theta is the decreases. Then cos theta is the decreases. Okay, student, this statement is the false. This statement is the false. Now check statement 4. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all value of theta. The statement 4 is sin theta equal to cos theta for all value of theta. Sin theta, statement 4, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all, this is a symbol of for all value of theta, for all value of theta. That means sin theta and cos theta are equal for all value of theta. Sin theta and cos theta both are equal for all value of theta. Check whether here given that the value of sin 0 is the 0, then the value of cos 0 is the 1, not equal, and the value of sin 30 is the 1 by 2 and the value of cos 30 is the square root 3 by 2. Equal? No, students. This is equal for only 45 degree. Sin theta and cos theta both are equal when theta is the 45 degree, not for all value of theta. Okay, this statement is the also false. This statement is the false. Now check statement 5th. Now check statement 5th. Cot A is the not defined for theta equal to, for A equal to 0. Cot A is a not defined, is a not defined for A equal to 0. That means cot A is a not defined. Cot A is the not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. That means question is the says that the value of cot 0 is the not defined. The value of cot 0 is the not defined. Here cot A for A equal to 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Cot 0 is the students cos upon sin, that means 1 by 0, not defined, not defined, not defined. Cot 0 is the not defined, and cos 30 is the square root 3, and cot 45 is the 1, cot 60 is the 1 upon square root 3, and cot 90 is the 0 upon 1, that means 0. Here cot 0 is the not defined, that means this statement is the true. This statement is the true. Finally, the statement first is the false and statement second is the true. That means the value of sin theta is increases as theta is increases, and statement third, the value of cos theta increases as theta is the increases. This is a false. This is a false. And fourth is the sin theta equal to cos theta for all value of theta. This is a false. And fifth is the cot theta, cot A is a not defined for A equal to 0. This is a true. That means the statement second and the statement fifth are true, and first, third and fourth are false. Okay, students, you understand? In our next class, we will learn about the trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Trigonometric ratio are simply known as the T ratio. Okay, thank you.